That's great.
Uh-huh. Hi, Liz.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
How are you guys?
I'm doing good, thanks.
Good.
Great. Yeah. How are you doing?
Good.
Cool. Okay.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey.
All right. Okay, I'm starting the broadcast.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome. Oops.
So Rachel has that project thing, so she won't be here today, right? Senior project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's start. Okay, so by next, is it next week or the week after that we need to turn in the
It's next week. I think we're supposed to do it today, aren't we?
okay.
Oh, what? So but it's due next week. So we have today
And next week.
following.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what the requirements are for the?
I haven't looked at it.
Let's take a.
I
Oh,
looked at it, but I'd have to look again.
I was under the impression that we were just kind of like making our final decision and stuff.
Yeah. Well, we can always meet next week and then finalize it and turn it in.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So we've decided on the recipe one. So
Yes.
we just need a proposal. Like, does it have to be a formal thing, or is this like we're doing this?
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to be a formal proposal. I'm going to pull up his email and see what
Okay.
he said about it.
Yeah, and maybe once you get it, you can share your screen, and then we can all look at it.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. I have it up. Let me share my screen. Hold on. All right. You guys see it?
Mhm.
Let me see it. If you go back to it. Oh, could you Ben, you're hosting, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it up.
Oh, could you click on Elizabeth's screen? Or I guess I could just do it. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you could copy the. Oh, that was in the email, huh? Okay.
Yeah, it's in the email.
Okay.
I didn't get any email.
Yeah, me either. This is the first time I'm seeing this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the other one that he emailed on Sunday, but not this one.
You know, I think. Let me see if I think there's. It's in. If you go to the class team
Uh-huh.
and go to helpful Oops. I don't want to. No.
Just cancel. Cancel.
You go to helpful resources.
Uh-huh.
I think I'll be able to pull it up better here. Listening 8.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then and it's a better layout too, so you can read it better.
Okay.
Let me make it bigger.
Where was helpful resources?
If you go into the class community,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
top where it says helpful resources, you click on that.
Boy, that's the first time I've ever seen that either.
Yeah. I'm using like the new Google View thing, and it's.
Okay, and then when you go there, it has week 8. It has all of his different things, and then when I clicked on the week 8, then that's what came up.
Mm.
So then I'm here, and I can make it bigger, make my screen bigger so you guys can see it better. Does that help?
Yeah. Okay, so T minus 2 weeks. All right. Okay. Liz, maybe you could copy that and put it in a Google Doc on our shared drive.
All right.
and then everybody can put in the input between now and next week when we meet.
Okay.
You know, just write your name, dash, and then your input, and then we can all finalize it when we meet next week.
Okay, just in the class community. Okay, I can just copy that and put it in there.
Yeah, in a Google Drive.
Oh, in the Google Drive.
Yeah.
All right, I can do that.
Yeah.
So you guys can look at it, but yeah, this is what it is.
Yeah, and then we can all collaborate and put in our 2 cents and our thoughts in there.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh wow, this I wish I knew where that, because with Google Google Communities, it says it asks you to use the new look, and it's like hidden, there on the left.
Yeah.
I'm like, look at all this stuff. Wow.
Even I use that too, so I haven't seen that link either.
Wow, I wish I knew about this long time ago.
Yeah, I've been using it every week because he sends the emails and I look at the emails, but then when I look in this, it's just laid out better.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, I never once received any of those things in an email. Seriously,
Yeah.
I never.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah. This is funny.
I get it every week, so yeah. Interesting.
I'm just looking at this. I'm like, wow, holy cow, that would have been helpful.
Yeah, it is helpful. Yeah, he tells everything in here that you need, what you're supposed to do. All of this right here is, he's got it listed 1, 2, 3. And, see, it says who will be the bad guy on your team. You guys can read that.
Yeah, I read that part in the email, but I think I did not finish reading it.
Oh, okay.
So it's my bad.
Okay. Well, I'll stop sharing so you guys have seen it, though.
Yeah. Has anybody got more than 50% on all the portfolio?
I've got 95% on the code topics.
Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Yeah,
I got everything but the local storage.
Okay.
That's because I haven't done anything.
Mm-hmm.
I can show you. I'm going to show you guys a bit about local storage.
Okay.
I figured out something pretty cool on how to use it.
Okay, good. I read about it a little bit in W3 Schools, but I haven't really put anything together yet to add there.
I think W3 Schools is like my most helpful professor. It's always there for me.
And it works, because some of the other sites I've gone to, they don't work.
Yeah, some they give an explanation but no code.
Yeah, or I've had some where it has code that didn't work.
Right.
So like, okay, I don't know, maybe it's old and it used to work, but it doesn't work anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, let me see this. That's my baby talking. She wants to participate.
How old is she, Anthony?
She is 9 months old today.
Wow. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
I just celebrated one of my kids' 21st birthday yesterday.
Oh.
And she's not even one of my oldest. She's my second to youngest.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
They grow up quickly?
They do. I don't know. Some days it kind of feels like it's going on forever and ever, and they're never going to grow. And then now that they're grown up, it's like, okay, I thought that this would be like I'd kind of be done, but you're not. You're never done. So you're in for it for a lifetime.
That's funny. Oh.
Really true. Yeah, I've got one graduating from college tomorrow, from BYU.
Wow. From where?
BYU Hawaii.
Oh, that's my alma mater. I went to BYU Hawaii.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. We didn't have enough money to go there, so we're gonna.
Oh, yeah. I went there for.
Home.
I was in the 5-year program. I was there for 5 years. Yeah, I did political science, so now I'm here doing CIT. That was the wrong major. All right. Okay. So we want to present today.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I could show.
Oh,
you
local
guys.
storage, right?
Yeah, local storage
Sure.
and some
Well,
DOM stuff.
yeah,
That's going.
if you could share with us your code on the GitHub, it'd be really nice.
Okay. Yeah. You know what? I'm sorry. I've been
Yeah.
postponing that. I'm gonna do that right now.
Good.
Just because I've been putting that off. I'll do that right now.
Yeah, that way, me and Elizabeth can take a look. I also haven't done local storage, so I've been doing a whole bunch of code this week. Yeah.
I'm gonna post it up. I'm doing it right now.
Right.
After I get it posted.
I have my presentation that I was supposed to do last week, but I had to go to that graduation, so I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you go
At least
first, Anthony.
I'll put you on.
Oh, you want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay, mine's just short and small, so. All right. I guess I should have just stayed sharing my screen and done it while I was up. Actually, can you go first, Anthony? I didn't have it up, unless you guys don't mind me searching for it and
Oh
finding
no, take your time.
it. All right.
Yeah, take your time. I'm trying to put the thing up right now.
Oh, okay, because I didn't have it up. I just barely got on the computer and was trying to get things when you guys
Okay.
called.
Question with the okay, so with the code topics, so with our project, we don't have to develop any UML case.
No, none of that.
Okay, because I think 360, it's like you have to do your project and you have to do like 50 different diagrams.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's not fun.
The 360, it's the exact same class, only in Java. Like this is all JavaScript,
Mhm.
and the other one's just Java. Just to give you guys a heads up.
Okay. Am I taking 360? Oh, that's an elective, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not taking it. Yeah. My elective is 336. That's the one I'm taking right now.
Ah,
I
Yeah.
did.
Yeah.
what
And
was
Liz,
336?
yeah, me and Liz, we are taking it right now.
What is it?
It's web development.
Ah, cool. Are you guys working with PHP and stuff
Yes.
like that?
That's it. We work with.
How are you doing in that class?
I'm doing very well.
Are you?
Yeah.
I was doing actually really well up until that exam.
Oh, really?
That exam, yeah, kind of got me. I didn't do so well on that.
Yeah, I haven't done the proposal yet, for our project.
Okay, Anthony, why don't you go first, because I did something and now I don't have my navigation right, and I'm just going to restart NetBeans.
Okay.
So,
I guess, yeah, I can go. Well, let me move this over here. Okay, I'll screen share. And then if you could put me on.
Okay, I have you on.
Okay,
Nice.
so you can see this? Okay, let's see. So actually, I'll show you guys a few things that's going on right now. So basically, the page is never reloading. So I'm loading in this new form. And I showed you guys how this was actually using DOM manipulation. And it's actually just throwing away this form and then dynamically adding the next form. And that's all done with JavaScript. So basically the JavaScript function is calling. So here's the JavaScript function. I'll show you real quick. Mackie, come on up here. Okay, for example, right here, load register form. I'm actually just making. Basically, this is kind of like an AJAX call, but just an XML HTTP request. I'm calling for the register form. So basically, right here, the response text, it's calling to this function. You'll see right here, load register. Let's find that. So load registers this, so it's just sending this back to the JavaScript, and then I'm dynamically adding this view right here. I'll show you. Where's register? Where's the register one? I'm blind. Oh, I call it user form, that's why. And so it's just basically sending all of this to the JavaScript, and then I'm adding it to an element, and that's how it's actually showing up. Now what's going on too, beforehand, when I clicked to refresh this, it would reload to the login form. But with local storage, I'm actually able to save the form, so it'll save this whole HTML stuff. So this whole thing right here, I'm saving it to local storage. So if the user refreshes the page, this form isn't lost and it doesn't go back to the login form. It automatically loads in this form right here. And that's happening. Local storage is really easy to use. I'll show you how to use it. So right here, so whatever you want to use, to set an item to save it into local storage. Basically, right here, you're gonna use basically the name of the variable, that you're gonna hold. This is the text. This is all the HTML stuff that I'm saving, and I'm saving it to this variable that I'm calling display. And I'm setting it. You put set item, local storage, and it's saving it to the local storage. And I'm also saving the title of the page so that it shows up as well. And I'll show you this. So if I refresh right here, you see it comes up, and there's the form. I gotta fix the title. Why did that not work? And if I go over here to, not there.
Anthony, quick question.
Yeah.
When you're doing those forms and the form fields, it's like PHP. I mean, you have PHP there, right?
Right here, this is
when you were showing me your code earlier with all those PHP that was on there.
Right here and right here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is all HTML. Right here, there's some PHP going on right here.
Right. Mm-hmm.
But this right here, I'm not actually using. Because before it was using where it actually load this, but now I took it out. So right here, before it was a submit type, and so actually this is not actually being used. The only stuff in PHP that I'm using is basically when they load up this index function, it just basically loads this view, and then it uses these PHP functions to get the view and send it back to the JavaScript stuff.
Okay, yeah. The reason I'm asking is because we are taking PHP right now in SAT 336, and be nice to know that way we could work on local storage with some of the PHP files we already have.
If you need any help with that, just let me know. Basically, this is how I think of it. You want to think of just basically your PHP stuff, just as basically the stuff that's controlling, loading stuff and controlling the views and the information from your database. That's how I'd think of it.
Right.
But yeah, so this is how I'm setting the local storage, and then what's actually happening. There's a thing that you can do. Is basically on load. So there's a lot of events that you can use. So basically, when this element is finished loading, it will do this function, check local. So basically, I created this function where it checks the local storage, and it sees if these items are set. So if these items are set, then it's basically going to print out, the form, instead of coming back here to log in. So if we go over to register, and then we refresh, that's how it's coming back, if that makes sense. Does that make sense at all? Because before it would, for example, if I take out this stuff right here, I'll show you this real quick. Then I'm right here. I'm on the register. Now when I refresh, it actually that shouldn't work.
You didn't save it.
Did I not save it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Okay,
There you
so here I'll go here, and then you see it comes back to login.
Nice.
But with this right here, it saves the form to the local storage. So if the person refreshes, and it comes back there. And I just added that animation, so if they reload it, and it's basically just using this animation to zoom in. Yeah, that's some local storage. I think I'll be using local storage a bit, like holding all the user information. Just so when they want to edit their stuff, I'll just pull it from the local storage instead of actually having to pull it from, here the controller to the model. Just hold it all in local storage. So that's how you want to get local storage, and that's how you want to set it. It's really easy to use, and there's a lot that you can do with it just with that. But yeah, any questions?
Looks good.
Yeah, if we could just have some of those code, we'll be very happy.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna push my project right now to GitHub, and I'll put the GitHub. I'll do that right now for you guys.
Yeah,
and then I'll tell you where you want to look at.
Okay. Yeah, because it will really help us. I think I still have like 34% out of 100 for the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your progress, Riley, in the code topics?
It's going okay. I still have a few more that I have to put on. I don't know what my percentage is, but I know that I haven't uploaded. I haven't done DOM yet.
Yes.
So I still have to do that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think a few of my links are broken. He emailed me and was saying that some of my links need to be fixed, so I need to do that.
Okay, cool. All right. Liz? Is she still with us?
Yeah, I'm still with you.
Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
I think you're next if Anthony's done.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. I don't know how I messed up my NetBeans, but I did.
Oh.
I can still share it.
Okay.
Okay. See how it doesn't, when I click on them to open it, it shows on this side instead of over here like it normally does.
Oh.
So I have this over here, but when I go to click on something now, it's opening over here.
Oh, close all those ones on the left and see what happens.
I did that, and then I didn't have the files to choose from.
Click on your view. See what you're doing there. Just click on some of the options.
Oops. Just click on them?
Yeah, like where it says split? Go to the view, and then there's a split, and I think that's maybe what's happening.
Oh, it's grayed out. Yeah.
Split. Where's that?
It's on the top. Editors.
Oh, it's grayed out.
Oh. Is this happening because you're merging something, or?
No, I don't even know. I accidentally pushed something over here.
Yeah. You see the little box on the right? Click on that. That one.
I tried that. That just makes the other go away.
Okay, click on, yeah.
Yeah, click on the box, and then now.
Okay, yeah, I don't. How do I fix this? What in the world did I do?
Oh, close animation.css and css3 animation.php. Close that. Yeah, minimize. Yeah, close files too. No files.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Now how do I get the files over here like I usually have them to choose from?
If you go, take your cursor all the way to the far left and see if the what do you call? If you can, yeah, like that. No.
Not just. Yeah.
Okay, go to view. Go to view right now, and go to toolbars, and go to file.
Huh. Well, I didn't do anything.
View toolbars. Didn't do anything.
Uh-uh.
Ooh.
Yeah, I really messed it up. A good one. I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
I guess I'll have to.
Close that. Liz, close everything that's open right now. Yeah. Then we'll see something else if it pops up.
Okay. View, toolbars, file. That was it. Now if I go window, it'll show me the window so I can go projects and then they show up again.
Mm-hmm.
Files. But then it just adds it over here.
Right. Oh boy.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I don't know what I did. Well, let me see if I can.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you see on your left pane? I was just playing around with my NetBeans too here.
Well, I can just show you what I did, and then I'll figure this out.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of bizarre. I just pushed something wrong somewhere. All right, so and let me get to my CSS. Here it is, animation. All right, so last week it was I was supposed to do animations.
Mm-hmm.
So I did. I just had a little thing, and I think some of this is repeat of what somebody did, so I didn't want to spend much time on this because the key is the keyframes, and we're supposed to build on what the past has done. Have we already done these basics?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to skip that, and I'll just go to the newest thing I did. Let me refresh it. These are the things that that now that we found, I think it was you, Anthony, that had that website that had all of these effects that you can do, and that's really cool. This
yeah,
one.
oh, sorry. That website was really good. It's really awesome.
This was the one. This last one that was the one that took me some time. So it's just a flip where it's different on either side. So I did like ingredients because 3 ingredients, and then recipe on the other side. So it's just a different. Now I tried to do it to where we could do on click, and I couldn't figure that out, but I can do it with hover. So and the way to do that was the code for that is basically divs inside of divs. Yeah, it says 3rd time's the charm because I tried it 3 times and I couldn't get it to work, and I finally got it to work. Anyway, so I just did different divs and classes, and basically the whole thing is styled inside of the CSS, and that is down. There it is. So it just does the whole perspective thing, and I tried to write what it's doing. So keeps perspective, then flip the pane when hovered. And then this is just styling the frame. And you just style the different frames. Anyways, so that's pretty much it.
They're cool.
But
yeah, that's awesome.
Thanks, Liz.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anybody else want to present today, or that's it?
I don't have anything today.
Okay, good. All right. So the only thing we have to do now is, get into the Google Drive and try to collaborate and stuff, right?
Yeah. Try to figure out what we're gonna.
Yeah.
How we're gonna do this.
Okay. Cool.
And I'll add that to Google Drive so you guys can all see it.
Cool.
Super. All right, then I think we are done for today.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Oh, dang it. So right now I'm just gonna I'm adding the stuff to GitHub, and
Okay.
then I'll put that I'll put that up on the Google. I'll put it. I'll send it here in the chat, or or in the team meeting minutes thing. Who's gonna be filling that out?
I'm doing it right now.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks a ton.
Thank you.
No problem. So Anthony, if you could put your code, we can all check it out.
Yeah. Oh wait, what?
Anthony's the code king.
Yes.
No, I'm not that.
Okay.
I'm
Who
not
wants
that.
to organize next week's? Who wants to host a broadcast?
I could do it next week.
All right, Riley. Okay, so I'll put Riley's hosting broadcast.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna post it right now, and I'll explain where you want to find things.
Okay, cool.
That's really helpful.
Because if not, it's because I'm using, like I've said before, a PHP framework called CodeIgniter,
Mm-hmm.
which is it's very useful and easy to use. I know that in 336 you have to build everything from scratch. Have you guys already connected to databases at
Yes.
all?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it makes it so much easier just to connect to your database and hold things. Have you guys made your own like models and controllers and stuff like that?
We are doing the proposal next week, and then we'll start doing that.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
So you should ask him. I don't know if he'll let you because it's so. Look up CodeIgniter and you can follow the setup tutorial. It's really easy to use, and it's actually very it's very cool. Hold on, let me still pushing all this stuff. I'm still pushing on, but yeah, let me see if I can share. I'll show you the website. So it's just called CodeIgniter.
Mm-hmm.
And then what you want to do, ask the professor if he'll let you.
Okay.
And it makes things very easy. Just download this, and then you follow this. Read the manual, and this is really awesome. Just follow this tutorial. Right here. It'll show you how to create tables and how to pull stuff and do it.
That would be very helpful because we have to do our own database.
Awesome.
And the good thing about this is like it actually has its own form validation. Like you can set up. They have a lot of cool stuff. It's really easy to use. And I'm working for a web development company. This is what they use all the time, like for all the sites that they make. But they use this framework.
Good
That's
to
really
know.
cool.
Good to know.
Okay, so I think it's been pushed. See, I'll show you guys where you're gonna want to find this stuff. Okay, was it pushed? Yeah, okay. Come on. Okay. Where's the group folder? We have a group folder, right? Yes. Okay, so right here, you're just going to go into, a lot of the code is going to be found here in the application, and you're going to find the controllers, the stuff that basically all the stuff that how I'm getting the views. I'm calling two functions here in the user controller. Okay. And then the views, this is basically all the form stuff and stuff that I'm using with the header and footer, and yeah. And then the actual JavaScript, it is located in the public folder. So the CSS stuff and the JavaScript, it's not in the main, it's in the login JS. That's where all my JavaScript is at. Okay?
Cool.
Cool, thanks.
So I'm gonna
Thank you.
Great.
All right.
I'm gonna put that. Is it the 8th now? Dang.
It is. Time's flying.
Yeah.
Well, time goes by quickly. Time flies when you're having fun. Right?
We're slaving away for school.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. All right. See, you guys have a good one.
Okay, thanks
Yeah, have a good
everybody.
night, everyone.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.